Hi, I'm Kathy from Simple Fit Physical Therapy, where I teach simple exercises and tricks to help keep you strong or regain your strength. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your cane is adjusted for your correct height and your correct hand. Now, when you're using a cane like this, you'll want to use it in the side opposite of where you're having the most trouble. Because as we walk naturally, we have reciprocal arm swing, which means the opposite arm goes with the opposite leg. I just need to make sure I'm not stepping on Jersey because she's decided to join me for today. So as we're walking, we have reciprocal arm swing. And if you're having any pain or unsteadiness, what it'll do is having the cane in the opposite hand. So as we have that reciprocal arm swing, it'll make a tripod to help keep you more stable. In order to adjust the cane, what you'll want to do is loosen the locking mechanism down at the bottom, and then you'll take the two buttons, you'll press them in, and either lift it up or down to adjust it to the right height. If you need to use it in the side opposite of what it's set up for, so in this case it's set to be used in my left hand because the widest part will be on the outside of my left foot, which is what I want. If I needed to turn it around, I'd simply push those two buttons in, spin the cane around, and relock it. So as we're beginning to walk, what we're planning to do is put the cane and the right foot together and swing through with the left. As we put the cane down, we want all four of the prongs to touch the ground at the same time. So that'll look something like this. Now I would take a few more steps, but Jersey is very content to sit here today and I don't want to disturb her. So as we're walking, we're going to put the cane and the right foot together and we'll step through with the left. Now normally you don't want to look down, but since there's a dog right there, I just want to make sure I don't step on her. So I hope this helped you to learn how to use a large base quad cane. If you have any questions at all, please put it down in the comments below. I hope this helped and I hope to see you again soon.